I just got the August Paper Pumpkin box in the mail and I'm so excited to open it. So I thought I would share it with you. Alright, let's see. We've got some stamps, candles, make a wish, lost count, it's time for cake, happy birthday, and celebrate. Some balloons and the top of candles. That's cool. And then this must be the free set so that you could celebrate whatever number birthday you want. That's pretty cool. Oh, look. This happy birthday will fit right in that little arch. That's pretty cool. Alright. The ink spot is Night of Navy. Throw all this aside. There's the kit. So 3 of each card. Let's see what's inside. I love these snips. I don't know if you guys have them or not, but I absolutely love these snips. They're sharp. They cut everything I want. They're just spectacular. Some rose gold twine, I guess you would call it. Mini dimensionals. Some, these are solid pieces of balloons. These look like card fronts, 3 card fronts. Of course, the fabulous coordinating envelopes. Here's one card front. Now, from the pictures that I've seen online, can you see the rose gold underneath? Oh, so I guess it goes like this. It looks like these fold up on the front of the card, but we'll have to wait and see till we get the directions. It's another card front. Can you see? It's just like the tops of candles. Some pretty die cuts. These all pop out. You can see they're at an angle. Some glue dots. Hooray. I think these are stickers. Some tags and banners. They all pop out so you can see the pop out. Oh, these are pretty. Candles. These all pop out. Balloons that pop out. And forks. Cool. That's pretty interesting. So there's a little insert. Tells you everything you get. And those are the cards. Alright, I'm going to do them and then I'm going to post the pictures in the comments.